Your team creates sales documents and stores them in various places. But how do you find them? Stop the document treasure hunt. OneNode will bring you all your documents when you need them, neatly organized and ready to serve you. OneNode is a Pipedrive add-on that will enable you to link documents stored in Google Drive, SharePoint, Pipedrive, or any SaaS tool with your Pipedrive deals and customers. After linking them, you can easily browse documents and make folders of them. OneNode will keep you on top of your sales documents. Each deal, organization, and person in your Pipedrive will have a clear list of the documents related to them. No more will you need to spend more time looking for your documents than working with them. OneNode will be the missing link between you, Pipedrive, and all your sales and customer documents. Try for free today.